Welcome to ITTV. I'm Cesar Martin, your host. Today, we'll explore how Fraction Bingo game can enhance your teaching strategies. Let's embark on this educational journey. The objective of Fraction Bingo is simple. Be the first to cover all the squares on your game board and shout out bingo. But to do that, you'll need to match fraction cards with the squares on your board. To set up, one person flips a fraction card and announces the fraction. Players then cover the corresponding fraction square on their game board with a counter. Get ready to dive into the world of fractions. During gameplay, players take turns flipping fraction cards and covering squares on their game boards. The race is on to be the first to cover all squares and shout out bingo, who will emerge victorious. Fraction bingo isn't just fun, it's also educational. By playing, you'll reinforce your understanding of fractions and sharpen your critical thinking and problem solving skills. It's learning disguised as entertainment. With its engaging and interactive gameplay, Fraction Bingo keeps players motivated and excited to participate. Get ready to dive in and experience the thrill of matching fractions and covering squares. Looking for a bit of variety? Customize your Fraction Bingo game by using different fraction representations or adding challenge levels. The possibilities are endless. Fraction Bingo is suitable for players of all ages and skill levels, whether you're in a classroom setting or enjoying family game night at home. This game can be adapted to suit your needs. Everyone can join in on the fun. As you play Fraction Bingo, you'll improve your fraction recognition and comprehension skills. Plus, you'll enhance your strategic thinking and decision making abilities. It's a win win for learning and fun. In conclusion, Fraction Bingo is not only a fun game, but also an educational tool that makes learning fractions enjoyable and memorable. So gather your friends and family and let's play Fraction Bingo. Thank you for exploring Fraction Bingo game with us.